skid, bro.
We're doing a burnout.
Hey everyone, Jordan here from ThatCarLife, and today we're doing a very special video. We are at Tuner's Evolution HQ right here. He's Memz. How are you, bro?
Hey man, how's it going? The sun's in my eyes.
Yeah, it's a bit sunny, so we'll head inside. But you can see we've got a mad little lineup here. We've got Chef's Stager right there, looking sick on the Nismo. The LMGT4s,
but it's still not done, but still working.
Yeah, and this looks proper. And you guys probably would have seen this in one of the last videos. But yeah, these things come together. We've got my 15 in here. It looks sick in the shop, bro.
We got Jordan S15. It's chilling.
Bro, this shop, guys, it's goals. Like, I've shown it on the channel a few times, but when you actually come here and have a look, it's like, it's insane, bro.
Yeah,
like, it's absolutely goals. You've got like, what is this? Oh yeah, free waistcoat. Yeah, I'll take that. For those that don't know, like, you guys do pretty much everything here, right? Like,
Yeah,
you do like detailing, painting, engine work,
painting,
everything.
Engine work, full restoration of a car.
This S14 looking proper with the SR. Like, this looks mad. Blocks painted.
Reconditioned the motor, so we coated the motor.
Yeah.
And I put on new belts.
Bro, it looks insane.
New gaskets and everything.
Other customer cars obviously under here. These are for next year, these builds?
This is for next year.
Well, this year. I kept saying next year, but it's the start of 2026.
Yeah, this year.
But these are future builds that are going to be started.
This is my little brother's car we're going to fix.
And then S14.
Full restoration. S14. It's a full shave day that's been done to it. It's a work in progress, but
That's
it's coming together.
Proper project.
Coated the subframe as well.
And you guys do dry ice blasting here too, right?
Yes,
like, you
we
put
do.
it on a hoist and you go
put on the
underneath.
hoist, go underneath, do the wheel arches, do the whole undercarriage, do everything.
You've got a sick EVO 3 there. This is like your detailing booth, right?
This is the over the life booth. This is
Oof.
the detailing booth and like all the cars that have been done. Put it
Come
here,
in
take
here.
photos.
And this EVO's getting what? Dry ice
So
blasting.
this Evo's getting dry ice blasted and a couple of little things. It's actually going to get coated as well. This is from ERS. This is his personal car. Trying to bring it to that next level. You know, restoring the undercarriage and.
Well, watch this space, guys. Follow Tuner's Evolution on Instagram and you'll be able to see exactly how this thing turns out. You've got some stuff in the corner over here. Chef hard at work, cooking away.
Hard at work.
And there's some special motors here. I spot an RB26
Yeah,
next to it. Well, a V8 here as well.
We got V8. This is for a 79 series.
But I think this is catching my attention, bro.
Yeah,
RB26
I think
twin turbo.
everyone's catching the attention. So we coated the engine again, intake manifold, all these pipes, everything just gets done properly. We're painting the rocker covers candy red.
I just love the setup too. Like, you've got like obviously like the engine building part here, then you've got
We've
chill area, pool table.
You know, you gotta have fun. Like,
It's a good setup.
We're working 24/7, like guys. Like, we start at 9 AM and then we finish at 9 PM. Like,
Yeah,
you know,
like especially with cars, there's
you
always
should've
something to
seen
do.
The last month, just this Christmas rush.
Just so busy, eh?
So busy.
And then obviously your 15's
my
on the wraps.
15's here.
What we're here for today, something very special. What are we doing, Memz? We're gonna do
beast.
a POV drive on Memz's EVO, which if you guys haven't seen the full feature on this, I'll link it right up here. But basically, we're gonna do a POV drive and we're gonna mic up the engine bay and the turbo. Well, basically pure turbo sounds. And this thing has a hectic flutter, so yeah, we're very excited to mic this thing up and get
I
some
think
mad
everyone tells
sounds.
me this is like one of the best doses and literally sounds like a VL.
You can't beat that ham idle.
We'll go for a little drive.
Here's some mad sounds. Let's do it. So we're back in the Evo, guys. We've changed up the mic setup. So obviously before we had the raw turbo, now we've got the mic inside the car so you can hear all the hectic screamer pipe noises. So we'll go for a drive, Memz, we'll hear some proper sounds.
Yeah. Screamer and dose pipe.
Yeah, bro, I'm so excited. This car sounds next level. Yeah. We got the cams. The cams are the best. I love the cams.
The cams are the best, bro. I love it. Guys, let's get a sip of some Mountain Dew. We're not sponsored. Sponsor us.
Yeah, Mountain Dew sponsor us. Human E85. So obviously the turbo sounded a lot louder because it was mic'd up. But even in the car normally, it's still very loud.
Yeah. Like if that was 4,000 RPM.
Wow.
Like it's pretty loud. Alright, here we go.
Bro, that's insane.
I just love when someone's windows down and you're driving by, you just have to dose.
Just dose right on them.
Yeah,
bro, do the same thing.
Yeah. It's the rule.
Yeah, you have to.
I actually miss driving this car, man. I haven't driven it for nearly 2 weeks. Like jumping back in this thing, man, it's
puts a smile on your face.
smile on your face, man. All the stress goes away.
Australia.
Australia, mate. The guy behind me trying to keep up.
Oh yeah, the Commodore. he just did a skid, bro.
He's doing a burnout.
What the hell? What the hell?
Oh god. Please stop it. Oh, that sounded good.
Bro, that throws you back so hard. I see why they call it a screamer pipe.
Yeah.
Because it actually screams.
Yeah, she screams.
So we just finished up the drive. Memz has got marks on his head from the GoPro. So please make sure, guys, you follow Tuners Evolution and subscribe to the Tuners Evolution YouTube channel. Because look at the dedication to the content right there. Bro, this car is so fun. I actually love it.
I love it as well, man. Like the combination, the dose and the screamer when it comes on together.
Next level.
Yeah, it's
and
nuts.
I really hope you guys enjoyed the POV. If you want to see like all the details, like all the mods that's done to it, everything like that in detail, and me taking this for a drive, I'll link it right up here. We did a full detailed feature on it. But yeah, this video in particular, I was just having some fun, going for a drive and getting a bunch of noises.
I figured out that button, you know that feature?
Oh yeah, some people commented, they said it was
so that button,
intercooler spray.
Yeah, that's the intercooler spray.
Yeah, so thank you to everyone that commented on that video. And let us know all the stuff that we didn't know about this car because we're new to EVOs. But yeah, we learned a lot of cool stuff. And if you guys want more POV content on just any type of car, you know, mic'd up, dose, any of that kind of stuff, let me know in the comments if you want to see more of this kind of content. But yeah, really hope you guys enjoy this one. It was a whole lot of fun to make. We had a blast. And I can't get over how good it sounds, bro.
It sounds freaking crazy, man. Like when it's mic'd up, it's like so long.
So yeah, it's so different. So yeah, really hope you guys enjoy this one too. If you did, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're getting so close to 10k. And I know we can get there very soon. 10k sub.
You better subscribe, man. I'm telling you, man. We're gonna hit the 10k, man.
I'm gonna beep out that whole thing. Well, if they don't subscribe, what are you gonna do, Memz?
My EVO is gonna go into your living room, and then I'm gonna jump out and be like, subscribe. What the
You don't want that to happen, alright? So you gotta subscribe.
Exactly.
So we're gonna leave the video there, guys. Really hope you enjoyed.
Subscribe.
If you did, please make sure you like, comment, and
subscribe.
And we'll see you all next time on
ThatCarLife.
Subscribe.